Okay guys, so let's summarize this all now. So what you just seen was raw, unedited footage straight out of the camera, and the image quality was almost identical, and I had to shoot like a ton of footage to find those differences. So from what I could notice on the GoPro Hero 10 Black, there is simply more information in the highlights. Please take a closer look once again that the sky or the clouds are not overexposed and there is simply more information, there are simply more details in it. On the other hand, even though I had the exact same settings on both of these cameras, I found that the contrast on the GoPro Hero 10 Black is a bit stronger and Hero 9 was a bit brighter. And finally, when I tried natural color profile on the GoPro Hero 10 Black, I found that there is a little bit more information in the shadows, whereas GoPro color profile on the GoPro Hero 9 Black had these shadows completely crushed and there was no information in it whatsoever. But notice also that the GoPro color makes the whole scene more beautiful because it's so colorful, the colors are so vibrant, it's just that the contrast is too strong. However, you can easily fix it in any editing software by lifting up the shadows so you can get the similar results. Once again guys, I had to capture a lot of scenes with different light conditions to find those differences. Both of these cameras look really good and the image was almost identical in most scenarios. Anyway guys, I think that for today's video that's it. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching it, and I hope that you liked it, you enjoyed it and you learned something from it. And if you did, then as always guys, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss my future content, and see you in the next one. Bye!